Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. The forests of the Pacific Northwest are a diverse mix of sustainably managed and old-growth conifers, primarily Douglas fir and hemlock. Nearly all the old-growth forests were set aside in the 1990s, and only small volumes are logged to salvage burned or unhealthy timber. The vast majority of commercially harvested timber is second growth from private, state, and federal lands. Today we're in North Plains, Oregon, and home of the Oregon Canadian Forest Products Corporation. Since their humble beginnings more than 45 years ago as a small manufacturer, Oregon Canadian has evolved as a leading producer of Douglas fir, hemlock, western red cedar, and Alaska yellow cedar specialty items. Their focus is exclusively on providing high-end products that meet the most demanding architectural and aesthetic applications while adding beauty and value to any building project. In 1977, Oregon Canadian Forest Products started with a wooden green chain, one forklift, and a loading dock. Since then, they've grown into a global company with more than a dozen specialized machine centers located in North Plains, Oregon, and their South Carolina facility, Industrial Pine Products Incorporated. Oregon Canadian has a versatile manufacturing operation on 26 acres and employs more than 100 people. On average, they produce more than 1.5 million board feet of high-end softwood products every month. They have the personnel, the experience, and the raw material to meet your specialty needs for Douglas fir, hemlock, and western red cedar lumber. Oregon Canadian, producing the finest quality softwoods from the forests of the Pacific Northwest. See them at ocfp.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.